Okay, good morning, one and all. Good morning, one and all. Today we discuss about series resonance. Series resonance. Keynotes of series resonance is what about series resonance? Why are using series resonance? What is the condition for series resonance? Series resonance is a one kind of event. It is a one kind of event in the LCR circuit. LCR circuit. In this event we get current will be maximum. Current is maximum in the circuit. This when we get current is maximum at certain frequency, that frequency is called resonance frequency. Suppose resonance is a phenomena characteristics in the LCR circuit. We get highest amplitude at a certain frequency according to relation. The amplitude is highest amplitude at a certain frequency. That frequency is called resonance frequency. That is F0. We draw the graph frequency versus current. That is maximum current. That is IRMS. I maximum by root 2. That is IRMS. IRMS will be maximum in the circuit at certain frequency. This frequency is called resonance frequency. What is the resonance frequency? Means it is a one kind of resonance, one kind of event or phenomena in the LCR circuit. At this event we get current will be maximum in the circuit, in the LCR circuit. You know, according to formula in the LCR circuit, Im is equal to Vm by Z. This is the maximum current in the LCR circuit. When current is maximum, that is current or amplitude is maximum, voltage also maximum in the circuit. In this, from this case, Im is equal to Vm by Z. Z means R square plus Xc minus XL whole square. Okay, we get maximum will be current will be maximum. Current is, we want change the equation. It can be maximum, that this denominator will be minimum. This is we want changing the denominator. So this R cannot be 0, not equal to 0. So we want changing the this term, that is Xc minus Xc minus XL is equal to 0. That is Xc is equal to XL. We this value substitute. This is the condition for resonance. Okay, this value substitute in the formula. Im is equal to Vm by R square plus 0. Xc minus XL is equal to 0 square. Okay, next Vm by R square under root cancel. That is Vm by R. Okay, from Im is equal to Vm by R. From this equation, Im is equal to Vm by Z. At Xc is equal to XL. That means Xc and capacitor reactance and inductive reactance will be same or identical or symmetrical. We get Z, resistance of the AC conductor, resistance of the resistance will be equal. That is Z is equal to R. Compared to this above equation, compared to this equation, here Im is equal to Vm by Z. Here Im is equal to Vm by Z. At condition X is equal to XL, the Z is equal to R. That here the current will be maximum. IRMS is maximum at this condition. IRMS will maximum at certain frequency. This frequency is called resonance frequency. According to this condition, XC, capacitive reactance. What is the formula? 1 by omega C. What is the formula? Omega L. Okay, from this equation we can write omega square is equal to omega L 1 by LC. From these equations we get omega is equal to 1 by under root of LC. This is the frequency, resonance angular frequency, resonance angular frequency in the form of frequency. Omega is equal to 2 pi f is equal to 1 by under root of LC. In the term of frequency, f is equal to 1 by 2 pi under root of LC. This frequency is called resonance frequency. We want at a certain frequency we get highest current. We get that frequency is called resonance frequency. These are the conditions. At X is equal to XL, Z is equal to impedance of the AC current is equal to resistance of the DC current will be equal. That is, Z is equal to equal. We get current will be maximum. That is, this current will be maximum. According to formula, power current is also maximum. Current is maximum, power also maximum. According to formula, I square R. That is, power is also maximum, current also maximum. According to in this case, from this from the IRMS, the power is equal to IRMS by root 2 square into R. P, this is a domestic power, is equal to IRMS square by root 2, that is 2 into R. According to formula, P is equal to IRMS. This is maximum power. This is current is maximum square into R. This formula. Okay, this I square into R is the power maximum. That is, domestic power is equal to maximum power by 2. When it is appearing means maximum current comes to IRMS by 2 by under root. That is, this is the maximum current. That is IRMS current. I maximum current by root 2. What is the relation? IRMS is equal to IM by root 2. From this relation, the power also off. That is, current is IRMS comes to I maximum root 2. The power is half. From the relation. From this relation. Okay, suppose in the case of graph, when we will get highest maximum amplitude at certain frequency, that frequency is called resonance frequency. In the circuit have variety of applications in the some electrical devices, that is TV, radio mechanism. Suppose number of radio televisions is there. Suppose 10.2, 101, 93.5, 87.2, 97.2. That is the radio mirchi. Some frequency setup is there. Suppose we can set up the radio. Suppose 101, it is not certain frequency, not coming to certain frequency. That is, the disturbance will be coming. That is, resonance frequency and radio frequency not matching. Suppose we get to set up radio tuning 102. We get this frequency will be equal, that means radio frequency and set of frequencies will be equal, we get high amplitude. Amplitude means we can listen clearly in the radio and television or antenna. Suppose we get one or two, three, and also not matching the frequency, that is we get some disturbances coming from the signals, that is the resonance is not matching to the frequency, antenna and signals, everything. Suppose in the case of cell phone, some person is there, initially is there, signal will be high, going to some distance, here from person is there, from starting you going to this place, the signal will be decreases. So the signal will be decreases means the frequency will be decreases. According to formula, frequency is equal to hf or h nu, is equal to h nu or hf. Frequency is high, energy is high. Okay, frequency decreases, the signal will be decreases, that is at a certain time signal will be closed, that means there is no information. Suppose here signal is there, okay, high energy, high frequency, there is no frequency decreasing, frequency is high, energy is high. According to power formula, P is equal to E by 2. Power is, energy is high, power is high. According to formula, P is equal to I square R. Power is high, power is high, amplitude or current is high, resistance is low. According to this formula, that means we get resonance at certain frequency, we get highest signal. Okay, from the television or from the TV or radio, any resonance, maybe we tuning the radio or frequency, at certain frequency we get highest quality sound or listen clarity from the radio or TV. That is the frequency of radio, the frequency of setup will be matching, that is the both frequency will be matching at a certain frequency, that frequency is called resonance frequency. Some like this, suppose here frequency is there, the frequency will be changes up to certain frequency, we get maximum amplitude. Starting here we go through this like this, frequency increases up to certain frequency, we get highest sound or highest amplitude. That is highest sound means we get clarity at certain frequency, that frequency is called resonance frequency. Suppose we get some disturbances coming, that means the resonance frequency is not matching through set of frequency. That is the reason in the television and TV or radio, etc. That means suppose if radio frequency is same and listen signal frequency is same, we get highest clarity or sound clarity and anything is very good. But we get suppose signal is very compared to this one, this like this, that means signal, that is resonance is not occurring, frequency of the radio and setup will be not equal, we get disturbance and noises will be coming. Suppose we get same frequency, setup frequency and radio frequency will be same, that is the resonance frequency will be matching, we get highest clarity and sound, highest amplitude, that is that frequency is called resonance frequency. According to this formula, frequency of the circuit is independent of the resonance, there is no R, that is resistance, in the resistance there is no resistance, that is frequency, resonance frequency is independent of resistance of the circuit. That is, in some circuits having resistance, they cannot give resistance. Suppose circuit having LC, L or C, we get to frequency in the circuit. That is, so we can't have resonance in the L or RL. We can't have any RL and RC circuit. So we can't have resonance in the RL and RC circuits. That is mean in the from the equation f is equal to 1 by 2 pi under root of LC. That is frequency depends upon only L and C. That is the reason. That is RC circuit not having resonance any resonance, and LC, RC and RL circuits cannot have any type of resonance. That is, there is no giving any resonance. That is, we get not getting any information from this circuit. We get only LC or LRC. That is, LC depends upon frequency. Okay, thank you one and all. Okay, now we can solve the problem. That is 10.6. A resistor of 200 ohms and a capacitor of 115 microfarad, micro means 10 to the power minus 6, are connected in series to applied voltage, that is 220 volts, with frequency 50 hertz of AC source. We can calculate the current in the AC source and calculate the voltage across the resistor R and capacitor. Is the algebraic sum of these voltage more than the source voltage? Yes or no? Okay, we can solve the problem. Here R is equal to 200 ohms, C is equal to 15.0 means 15 microfarad. Micro means 15 into 10 to the power minus 6 farad. We applied voltage 220 volts. Frequency nu or F is equal to 50 hertz. First, initially we find the A. What is the, we want to find the current part. Next B, voltage across the capacitor watt, voltage across the resistor is equal to watt. Okay, next we find the first one, that is current I is equal to, in the LCR circuit, V by Z. Okay, V by Z, Z is the resistance offered by LCR circuit. That is V by R square XC minus XL whole square under root. This is the voltage formula, that is IM. This is the equation for LCR circuit. But here we can only presence of resistor and capacitor. We can write down this is for in the presence of LCR circuit. Here only presence of RC circuit, that is current is impedance is equal to R square XC minus XL whole square under root. This is for LCR circuit. Okay, now this is inductor is absence of inductor. The impedance can be written as R square plus XC whole square. Okay, we know what is the XC is equal to omega C. Omega is equal to 2 pi f. in the presence of frequency. Okay, this is the capacitive reactance formula. Okay, these values substitute in the formula, we get impedance Z is equal to okay, substitute we find formula. What is the R value? 200 square plus X is equal to what? 25 F means 50 edges, 50 into C value. C is there. What is C value? 15 into 10 to the power of minus 6 whole square. Okay, now the above equation can be written as 200 square, sorry, under it is there, 200 square plus, that means 2 pi, and 2 pi means 3.14 into frequency 50 into 15 into 10 to the power of minus 6. It is square, upside come to, that is minus 2. Okay, this square you can numerator come to denominator, that is goes to minus 2. Denominator next to, that is under root. Okay, we can simplify this equation, that is 200 square plus, that is 6.28 into 750 into 10 to the power of minus 6 to the power of minus 2 under root, this is equal to 200, that is 400. This value we get 212.3 under root, we get 291.5 ohms. This is the impedance. What is the current value? I is equal to V by Z. What is the V? 220 by 291.5. We get to, what is the current? 0.755 amperes. This is the current through the LCR circuit. Now we calculate the second part, that is voltage across the resistor. What is the formula? IR. What is the I? 0.755. Okay, what is the resistor? 200 means 75, we get 151 volts. 75 is 151, 0 we get 151. Next, voltage across the capacitor, that is I into XC, that is current. What is the XC? This is XC, that is I 0.755 into 212.3, get 160.3 volts. But in the case of some of the algebraic of, that is in the case of applied voltage, the LCR circuit, applied voltage is equal to the applied voltage across the individual system, that is VR plus VC plus VL. This is the formula. The applied voltage, input voltage is equal to the sum of the voltage developed across the different elements, that is resistance, at capacitance, at inductance. In this case, options of inductor V is equal to VR plus VC. V is equal to what? 220 volts, but 151 plus 161 we get what is the value? 311.3 volts, but it not in not obey. It is not correct. Actually, we can apply the 220 volts. We get some of the resistor, some voltage developed across the resistor and voltage across the capacitor equal to 320. It is not correct. That is the sum of, so we want derivative, we can square root and according to Pythagoras theorem, V is equal to VR square plus VC square is the correct one. This is the correct in this case in the RC circuit. That is, it is 220, it is matching the 220 volts. This is the correct reason. It is not correcting the reason from this solution. Thank you.